Ever packed and realized you left something essential behind at the worst possible moment? Today, I'll reveal travel accessories that solve everyday hassles and make every trip smoother. Welcome to my channel, and if you see something you love, grab it through the links in the description below. The number 5 product on our list is Ceptics Universal Travel Adapter. Nothing ruins the first night of a trip faster than a dead phone and the wrong plug in the wall. Travelers learn that lesson quickly. Different countries, different outlets, limited sockets in hotel rooms. The stress builds when you realize your laptop is at 10% and your adapter does not fit. This is where thoughtful design earns its place in your bag. Built to cover Type A, I, C, and G outputs, it works across the United States, Europe, the United Kingdom, Australia, and much of Asia without swapping separate pieces. One universal input plus 3 USB-A ports and 2 USB-C ports allow you to power up to 5 devices at once. The 45-watt output with power delivery and quick charge support keeps phones, tablets, and compatible laptops moving at a steady pace. Safety matters when charging expensive gear overseas. An integrated 8-ampere fuse, child safety shutters, plug lock system, and certified protection add peace of mind during long flights and hotel stays. It is important to note this is not a voltage converter, so high-wattage hair tools require separate support. The pros are wide country compatibility, multiple fast charging ports, compact travel-friendly build, and strong safety features. The cons are no voltage conversion and limited suitability for heavy appliances. Compared with single-region adapters that require carrying several pieces, this solution reduces clutter and confusion. It is ideal for business travelers, digital nomads, students studying abroad, and families managing multiple devices on one trip. Slip it into your carry-on and you pack more than an adapter. You pack preparedness that keeps your journey powered from departure to return. At number 4 is Anker Nano Travel Adapter. A powerless suitcase can turn a dream trip into a frantic search for the nearest outlet. Travelers know that sinking feeling when devices pile up and hotel sockets are scarce. Different plug types, limited space, charging bricks fighting for room in your carry-on. This is where smart packing changes everything. Designed with universal plug compatibility across Type A, C, G, and I regions, it supports travel through North America, Europe, the UK, Australia, and much of Asia without juggling separate adapters. 5 devices can charge at once through 1 AC outlet, 2 USB-A ports, and 2 USB-C ports, including a 20-watt fast charging output that can bring a modern smartphone to 50% in under half an hour. That efficiency matters during airport layovers and quick hotel stops. The design is impressively compact, smaller than many comparable models, with foldable, retractable pins that slip neatly into tight bags. A 2-pin to 2-pin connection enhances safety while reducing the risk of electric shock, adding reassurance when plugging in overseas. It is important to remember there is no voltage conversion, so high-powered appliances still require caution. The pros are compact size, multi-device charging, fast USB-C output, and broad country compatibility. The cons are the 6A limit and lack of voltage conversion for heavy tools. Compared with bulkier universal adapters, this option prioritizes portability and streamlined charging. It suits business travelers, digital nomads, students, and families who depend on multiple devices daily. Pack it once and your journey feels lighter, organized, and ready for wherever the map leads next. The third one on our list is AIRFEEL Car Air Purifier. The air inside your car can be up to 5 times more polluted than the air outside, and most drivers never realize it. Long commutes, traffic fumes, lingering, food smells, even pet odors slowly build into an invisible layer of discomfort. You roll down the window, spray a freshener, and hope for the best. The relief never lasts. That is where thoughtful and car purification changes the experience. Designed to fit neatly into a standard cup holder, this compact purifier blends seamlessly into your interior without blocking your view or crowding the console. The true H13 HEPA filter works to capture dust and harmful particles, while the built-in aromatherapy platform lets you add essential oils for a cleaner, more pleasant atmosphere. The quiet fan distributes fragrance evenly, avoiding the overpowering bursts common with traditional car fresheners. Installation is simple with plug-and-play USB power, making it practical for daily drivers and road trip enthusiasts alike. The pros are effective particle filtration, subtle fragrance control, sleek carbon fiber-inspired design, and silent operation that keeps the cabin calm. The cons are the need for USB power and periodic filter replacement to maintain performance. Compared with basic hanging fresheners or vent clip diffusers, this solution focuses on both purification and scent balance rather than masking odors. It is ideal for commuters, rideshare drivers, families with kids, and anyone sensitive to dust or strong smells during travel. Add it to your packing list of essential travel gear, and every drive begins to feel lighter, clearer, and more refreshing from the very first breath. On number 2 is INIU Power Bank. A dying phone at the airport gate can feel more stressful than a delayed flight. Low battery anxiety follows travelers everywhere. Navigation apps drain power, photos eat percentage points. Video calls during layovers push devices to the edge. That constant search for an outlet steals focus from the journey itself. This compact charger changes that dynamic instantly. With a 10,000 mAh capacity packed into a body noticeably thinner and lighter than many rivals, it slips easily into a pocket or small carry-on pouch. The 22.5-watt output, powered by advanced fast charging standards, brings modern smartphones from zero to major battery levels in about half an hour, reducing downtime when every minute counts. It can charge 3 devices at once, which is ideal for couples, families, or digital nomads juggling phones, earbuds, and tablets. A clever built-in phone stand adds unexpected convenience, allowing hands-free streaming or video calls while topping up. Safety engineering focuses on temperature control and reliable internal protection, giving reassurance during long flights and train rides. The pros are compact design, fast charging performance, multi-device support, and thoughtful stand integration. The cons are limited capacity for charging larger laptops and the need to recharge the unit itself after heavy use. Compared with bulkier high-capacity bricks that add weight to your bag, this option balances portability with practical power. It suits commuters, frequent flyers, students, and anyone who relies on their phone throughout the day. Add it to your essential travel gear, and the fear of seeing 1% on your screen fades into something far less urgent. Now moving to the last one is FYY Travel Cable Organizer Pouch. Tangled cables can steal more time than airport security. You reach into your bag for a charger and pull out a knotted mess of wires, adapters hiding in corners, earbuds wrapped around power banks. It feels chaotic before the trip even begins. Organized travel is not about packing more, it is about packing smarter. This compact pouch measures just enough to slip into a backpack or laptop bag without taking over valuable space. Inside, a double-layer design creates dedicated compartments for cords, USB drives, chargers, a mouse, and small accessories. Short cables fit neatly into the mesh pockets, while longer ones rest comfortably in larger sections. The durable waterproof Oxford exterior and soft padded interior protect gadgets from spills and scratches during busy commutes or long flights. A smooth zipper closure keeps everything secure, and the built-in hand strap makes it easy to grab and go. Instead of digging through your bag at a cafe or conference table, you open one case and everything is visible in seconds. The pros are compact size, thoughtful 2-layer layout, protective materials, and travel-friendly portability. The cons are limited space for bulky adapters and the need to fold longer cords carefully to maximize room. Compared with single-pocket tech sleeves that allow cables to shift freely, this option offers structure and separation. It is ideal for business travelers, students, remote workers, and families managing multiple devices on the move. Slip it into your carry-on, and the simple act of finding a charger becomes calm, efficient, and surprisingly satisfying. So guys, this was the video about the best travel accessories. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.